You like the coffee trick? Here is the tutorial.
Before we start the project, we need these 4 shots. Step 1. Film yourself throwing the pad in the air. Step 2. Stay in the previous position and drop the pad from your hand and repeat the throwing motion and continue the scene to the end. Step 3. Take an empty shot of the glass filled with coffee. Step 4. Throw the pad in the air in front of a green screen. When you have all these shots, let's jump directly into the Filmora Go app and start a new project. Now we find the spot just before we release the pad and make a cut. At the same place we do this with the video from step 2 and merge both videos. Next we choose picture in picture and import the green screen video from step 4 and crop it. Now we go to chroma key and select the green screen with the color picker and make a fine adjustment. Then resize and position the pad on the hand and set a keyframe at the beginning of the track. Now go to the end of the track, set another keyframe and align the pad with the glass. Next we select picture in picture again, import the video from step 3, adjust the size and crop it to the point where only the full glass can be seen. Then we go to mask, choose circle and mask only the glass. That's it. Now just export and share on your social media. Please like the video and write in the comments what you want a tutorial about next. And here the final result.